There we go. Okay. All right, so here, we keep going. Let's do the second one. Namely, we want the product of these two. And then we simplify. So if we multiply, right, what happens? We get this. Normally, as up here, you could FOIL, but you only really FOIL at the very end. Since we're being asked to simplify, you really don't want to actually carry out, how do I say this? You don't want to FOIL, though, until the very end. You don't want to actually do the polynomial multiplication until the very end, right? Because you can see by doing this, you know, it's pretty close to factored form. And when it's in factored form, it's easier to simplify. I mean, really here, the only thing is that x squared, I mean, here right away you can see that x plus 2 are going to cancel. Let's factor first, though. X squared minus 1 we can factor, right? That's a difference of 2 squares. That's what I'm showing you here. Right? We have x squared minus b squared. B in this case is 1. So using that, we can factor. Now, although really we could have canceled up here, but here we canceled the x plus 2s. Here we can cancel the x plus 1s. And we are left with x minus 1. And this is simplified. So we have x minus 1 as our answer. We multiplied, then we simplified. I mean, you could simplify here by canceling the x plus 2. You could do that. You don't have to, but you could. Okay, are there any questions on this? Now for division, remember you have to take the reciprocal of the second expression, second rational expression. Rational expression. So we're dividing. So from here, we're going to get this, right? You can see I flipped the second one. Now I'm multiplying. Now, by doing this, what we end up with is this thing here. Okay, that's good. Now, to make it a little bit easier, because you can see that x squared plus 3x plus 2, right? I mean, it looks like that might be, it looks like that can be factored. So as I was saying with the other one, you could simplify at the very end, but you don't have to. So we can simplify now, like so. And doing that, we're left with this. You know, we're left with this. Okay, now, can x squared plus 3x plus 2, can that be broken down any further? Can it be factored? Well, the answer is yes. I mean, we have done that before. You know, you would just do that case that you would follow that procedure where you are two numbers whose product is 2 and whose sum is 3. 1 and 2 clearly pull that off, and you get this. So from here, you get this, as you can see. And of course, we can cancel x plus 2 as a common factor, and so we get x plus 1. Altogether, as you can see, these cancel. Altogether, we get that the final answer, when the dust settles, is x plus 1. All right. Are there any questions about this one? Okay, it looks like we have like less than 5 seconds left, so we'll stop here. And I'll see, if I don't hear from you, I'll see you on Wednesday. I don't have office hours today, but tomorrow I do.